How to do the perfect no contact to get your ex back. That's what this content is all about. My name is Coach Adrian from Love Advice TV. As you know, my joy is to help good people after a breakup overcome the negative feelings, the despair, even the depression sometimes, to be able to rebuild a new and improved relationship with the person that they love most. And one of the key tools that individuals have used over the years to be successful is the no contact. And in this video, I wanted to talk about how one can implement a perfect no contact. And instead of a perfect no contact, I want you to be thinking in terms of a purposeful no contact. A no contact that is not centered around reconnecting with your ex and the moment that you will reach out again, but instead centered around what you want to achieve within yourself, for yourself. How can you take steps to get to a place where you are balanced, fulfilled, happy, where you're thriving without your significant other? Of course, this is a process, not a journey. I don't expect you to be at that perfect place during the perfect no contact. But instead, I want you to focus on the process, on setting the right habits and foundation that can get you there. If we are able to establish a healthy process over the coming days or weeks, or even perhaps months, your no contact will be perfect because it will completely reshape and redefine the trajectory of your life. And as a result of a new and improved potential relationship with your significant other. I have helped countless clients all over the world to establish such a process, and it would be my joy to help you as well. Of course, there are many different elements that need to be taken into account. And I cannot go through all of these elements in a short video. But I want you to really think about a few key ingredients that you will definitely want to consider. Think in terms of goals, of routine, and of specific qualities that you are trying to develop. If you are able to clearly identify those quality traits that you want to develop, if you are able to set goals around those qualities, as well as daily patterns, or a schedule, if you will, for the coming days or weeks, you will be in the perfect position to completely transform yourself and your life and the outcome that you so desire. Notice that I did not talk about your significant other because ultimately the no contact is not something that we are doing for them. The no contact is something that we are doing for you. You have to tailor this no contact to you, to your needs, to your reality, and to the challenges that you face. It's okay, and it's even normal for you to feel overwhelmed, for you to have doubts, for you to be unsure where this may lead. But you must trust the process, and you must approach it as the only way forward to help you to get to where you want to go. And if you're able to do this, taking it one step at a time, acting every day based on the goals that you have set, reflecting on that action to see where you're at, and refining your plan or your process along the way, I have no doubt that this will be the perfect no contact for you because it will be tailored on your reality and adapted to where you stand at any given time. If you need support to create such a plan, to create such a no contact roadmap, we are here for you. And I urge you to book a session or to really dive into one of our many programs that can help you really understand how the no contact can be tailored to you. As you know, there are private videos, longer content videos that you can access in the description link of most of our videos that help you to go deeper, to have a more profound understanding of our philosophy and to help you apply them in your day-to-day. And I urge you to really take the time to check them out and to apply what you learn today. As always, I am so delighted to be able to do these videos for you. I thank you for your time. I thank you for your trust. And I wish you only the best. And take good care.